Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find your phone contacts on Instagram or how to find your phone contacts on Instagram not working. I'll be showing you two separate examples on how to discover people on Instagram. First, let's go into the app. Once in the app, you're going to tap on your profile pic in the bottom right hand corner, and once you're on your profile page, you're going to tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner, and the second to last option from the screen you'll see discover people. You'll tap on that, and from here you'll see suggestions, and you can also tap on connect contacts right here, people you know, and you'll simply tap on connect. And if you'd also like to connect your Facebook friends, you'll tap on connect right there. But for some persons, they do not see this feature when they log into Instagram. For example, if I should use my other account on this same device and tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner, as you can see here, I do not have discover friends on this account. So to find my friends, I'll need to tap on settings. Then I'm going to tap on follow and invite friends. Then I'll tap on follow contacts right here. Then I'll tap on allow access. And as you can see here, Instagram would like to access your contacts, and I'll simply tap on OK. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.